Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing well today. I just wanted to make a video on how to toggle your Spotify and TeamCom sound using a couple different applications. I believe they are all free and all that good stuff. So SteelSeries GG Sonar, Ear Trumpet, Streamlabs OBS, Discord, and obviously Spotify. So starting off with Ear Trumpet, just since it's one of the more simple ones, you don't actually open it up. I can't type normally, but it looks like this if you decide to download it. Go over here. So these are all of your applications going through the different output sources. So Discord I have set to chat, and you can actually change it to whatever you want. And then I keep doing that. Spotify I have going through the media. So these are the output sources that we're working with. I have my headphones on these three, and then if I decide to listen to my soundbar, I have it on the aux tab, and they're like completely separate, even though it's using the same device. So pretty cool. All right, so starting with Spotify, remember I put that on the media tab or the media output source. So in OBS, I have it labeled the same way as the media, and it's going through the media output source again. And these are like automatically labeled that. I think you can change them up a little bit or rename them to be easier to see, that type of thing. I might have made some adjustments. But as you can see, Spotify is not coming through the desktop, the normal desktop sounds, but it is coming through the Spotify tab. And that's because we use Ear Trumpet to assign where it goes through. Alright, and now on to Discord. Alright, so we use the chat output source for Discord, and then I just made sure it matches on Discord. And also create another input source for chat for Discord and make sure that it's also chat. And just to show you how to do that real quick, just in case, put source, so you go to audio input source, add source. If you already have one, you may have to hit this to make a new one, and you can name it and everything. And then you can put the output source that you want to use from there. But yeah, that should do it, and I guess just to prove that Discord's working. So let's see if I can get a soundboard thing. And notice it did not come through the desktop sound. It only came through this part. Oops. Always a good one. And then it didn't come through any of them because they were muted. So good way to keep a handle on your sound during your stream. If you have any questions or if I didn't explain it well enough, just please let me know and I'd be happy to help you out. Yeah, let me know, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Take care.